How to sign up for Amazon affiliate program. Hey guys, if you're looking to monetize your website or blog by promoting products from the world's largest online retailer, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the process of signing up for the Amazon affiliate program. Let's get started. Before we dive into the sign up process, let's briefly talk about the Amazon Associates program. It's an affiliate marketing program by Amazon that allows you to earn commission by promoting Amazon product on your website or blog. Before you begin, make sure you have a website, blog, or mobile app where you intend to promote Amazon product. Basic contact information, access to bank account for receiving payments. As you can see this interface on my screen, you can easily access it by clicking the link in my description box. Once you click the link, you will be taken to the Amazon Associate sign up page. Click sign up to proceed. If you have already an Amazon account, you can sign in. But if you don't have, you need to click on create your Amazon account. In this section, you'll need to provide your account information including your name, address and phone number. Be sure to use accurate details. Then click on create your Amazon account. Now Amazon wants to know where you will be promoting their product. Fill in your website and mobile app details including the URL name and description. Provide some additional information about your website, such as topic you plan to cover and the type of Amazon product you intend to promote. Amazon may require you to verify your identity by phone. They will call you with a verification code. Enter the code when promoted. Select your preferred payment method, which can be direct deposit or check. Make sure to provide the necessary payment details. Take a moment to read Amazon operating agreement. It outlines the term and condition for the affiliate program. After reviewing it, click finish. The application will be reviewed by Amazon and you will receive an email once you're approved. The approval process typically takes 1 to 3 business days, so please be patient. Once you're approved, you can access Amazon product link and banners to start promoting products on your website or blog to earn commission. Congratulations, you're now signed up for the Amazon Associate program. Remember to create valuable content and use effective marketing strategies to maximize your earnings. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more affiliate marketing tips. Thanks for watching and happy affiliate marketing.